You've probably seen map animations for countries and cities, but what if you need to animate an entire continent? In this video, I'll show you how to create clean, accurate continent map animations in After Effects. First of all, you need to have a plugin called GeoLayers3 installed. Go to Windows, Extension. Here you will see GeoLayers3. Go to New Project and click Next. Then click Create. Click on Finalize to increase the quality of map. In the search box, search the continent name. Click on Draw Features. But here you can see this does not work on continents. There are no boundaries, so delete this layer. So to fix this, go to your browser and search GeoJSON download. Then go to this website. Here you can see all the continents. Select which one you want to download. I will now download the Europe file. It's download in the Downloads folder. Go to After Effects and click on this plus icon, then Import File. Import the file which you just downloaded. I have already downloaded and renamed the files. Import the Europe file. Here, now you can see the boundaries. Go to this pen tool and select Draw Features. Change its color, then change blend mode to multiply. Now adjust the zoom and position. Now go to this icon and select Add Label. Now double-click on the label layer, then select the feature name layer and make correction in name. With the same process, I will add another continent. Now click on this keyframe icon to make keyframes for zoom in and zoom out. Select all keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. And make the graph look like this. Adjust zooming. Now make keyframes for opacity for fade-in effect, like this. Do same for second continent. If you liked this tutorial, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And here you can check out more map animation videos.